sunod. Sulod na ta sa atong bangka. Ako manday jamo ni, masaligan manday ni. Kainan na. Kainan na si Utol, oh.
A lot of friendly starfish po underwater, but you are not allowed to get the starfish out of the water. Take a picture and post it. Bawal po po. So floating tayo. So wear a vest.
Ready na, ready. Ano yung baby bird? Siya. The birthday celebrant. Lovers in Paris. Labigan na. Labigan na ang tropa. Exclusive by Nilo and Ate Bibing with kids. Lapit na sa Wishing Island. Wishing well.
Sun is shining, sky.
Okay.
The world is rushing past us, chasing deadlines, chasing time. Lost in the future, obsessed with the next climb. But look right here beside us, slow down and see the quiet, gentle magic that happens naturally. The way the light hits softly, the cool fantasy. A scene too sweet for dreaming, better than any dream. Don't let the
Lots
small
of
things
starfish.
vanish, don't let them disappear. These
Very
are the
clear
quiet
water.
anchors